Hello, my name is Georgiana Tamas from Cake My Day Bristol, and on this tutorial what I'm gonna be showing you is how to make a blueberry brunch. This means blueberry fruits in different stages of ripening and different sizes of leaves, and then how to assemble them into a beautiful brunch. It's quite easy, anybody can do it. If you follow my steps on this tutorial, you're gonna end up with something like this. I hope you're gonna be enjoying the tutorial, and for any questions, leave your comments on the tutorial page and I'll be able to answer. Thank you and see you again next time. Bye!